In this video, we'll understand the forEach method in JavaStream. We'll see what it does, how it works, and when you should and should not use it. If you already know filter, map, and reduce and collect, this video will complete your understanding of how streams are actually consumed. So, what is forEach? ForEach method is a terminal operation in Java streams. That means it ends the stream pipeline and processes each element one by one. Unlike map or filter, forEach does not transform data or return a new stream. Its main purpose is to perform an action on every element, such as printing, logging, or calling another method. So, where does forEach fit in streams? Let's understand where forEach fits in the stream pipeline. First, we create a stream from collection. Then we apply intermediate operations like filter or map. And finally, we use a terminal operation such as forEach to consume the data. Once forEach is called, the stream is closed and it cannot be reused. So, I will show you an example. First, I will create an integer list, call it numbers. Create a list, define the values here. Or what I can do is I can create some random numbers. So I would use the random class, and then I would use the boxing and then to list. So I have to mention how many elements I need and the starting range and also the end range. So this would create 5 integers from 1 to 100 within the range of 1 to 100. Now if I print the numbers, we will see the numbers here, but we will not print like this. What we can do, we can use the numbers and the string, and we want to print each element present inside the numbers one by one. So I would take the for each, and then it actually asking for a consumer. So what I want to do is I will pass a lambda expression saying I'm taking one elements one by one from the collection, and then I would print. So now if I run it, it will print all the elements one by one. So in this example, we have created a string from a list of numbers. The for each method receives a lambda expression that we are passing as a consumer, and for each element in the stream, the lambda is executed and each number is printed in the console one at a time. So we can in the real projects we can use the for each with objects also, like we can filter the employees with a salary greater than 50,000. let's let me show you that example also. So I would comment this line, and I would create some employees. So I would say the employee 1 and employee who have the salary, let's say 80,000, and this employees belongs from, let's say, HR. I would copy this line. Okay, I'd create a 4 employees, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and let's say this employee have the salary 40,000. This is 50,000. This employee belongs from, let's say, admin. This from IT, and they said this employee have 60,000 salary, and this employee, let's say, belongs from finance. So we have created a four employees. Now I will go to create a list. I will create a list of employee, say employees, and I'll pass the all the employees one by one. So employee 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I have created the list of employees. In this list, what I gonna do, I would take the stream first, then say filter. What I need is the salary of the each employee who have salary over 50,000. So I would take each of employees, let's say employee uh, dot get salary over 50,000. I only need those employees, and I would print those employees. Let's say department. So employee, and I'll print employee dot get department. So it would print the department uh, of those employees who have the highest salary over 50,000. So this is a very common usage of forEach for logging or reporting. So use forEach when you want to perform an action like printing or sending data to somewhere, and use collect when you want to store the result into a collection like set, list or map. So if you need data later, prefer collect, or if you only need to consume it once, forEach is enough. ForEach can cause side effects, especially when modifying external variables. This breaks functional programming style of streams. Side effects also make code harder to debug and unsafe for parallel streams. As a best practice, avoid using forEach to modify shared state. So there is a forEach and also a forEach order too. So uh, basically these are like with using parallel stream, forEach does not guarantee the order. So if order matters, Java provides forEach order. So however, maintaining order can reduce performance. So always choose based on your requirement, order or speed. To summarize, forEach is a terminal operation. It is the best used for painting, logging, or triggering actions. Avoid using it for modifying data and prefer collect when you need result to store in a list, set, or map. And be careful when using forEach with parallel streams. So yeah, that's all about this video. In the next video, we'll look at the sorted operation and learn how to sort data using Java streams. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Logistech. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.